Okay, I got it out of the bike. All I did was break the tabs off. It's an old nasty bike anyway. I just want to get it to run. So just broke those two tabs off because there's no way to get to those bolts. And I opened this up, desoldered these ends. Okay. And now this is what I see. All right. This is well beyond my skills and capabilities to deal with. So I am on the hunt for a new box, 1984 Venture Royale ignition box. That's the number on this one. If anybody knows what's compatible or has one, please let me know. I would love to get this thing to spark.